All right, so we're going to do the last part of our assignment, um, our analysis. Let's go and look for that data here. Ba, ba, ba. All right, so here is the reduced data. So now we want to know one thing. So does the discount affect the profit, right? If you give a lot of discounts, does the profit stays the same, is lower, is higher? Does the discounts affect the profit of a company, right? So that's what we want to know. So we're going, in order to find this, we're going to do a regression. We are going to use independent and a dependent variable. The independent variable is discount and dependent variable is profit. Why is profit the dependent? But because we want to know if if discounts, affects profit. So this is what we need to do. So there is many other things that you can find in this data set. This is one of them. You should have at least 2 or 3 in inputs about customers, profits, or shipping, whatever it might be. Okay, so let's go. Before that, we are going to use the data analysis. If you don't have that, it's because you need to add it. So you go to options, and here in the add in the bottom where it says manage Excel's add in, press go, and you should have the two top ones selected. All right, so you're going to have access to the data analysis. Okay, so in the data analysis, we are going to scroll. See, you should really play around with all of this. If the data is, for example, you have correlation, histograms, sampling, we're going to use regression. Okay, for the Y, we're going to select profit. So we're going to select all the values for profit. And for the X, we're going to select the independent variable that is discount. All right, we're going to say labels is a 95% confidence, and we're going to click OK. And in here we have the output. So what is the output? Don't worry about the other numbers, but it says that by any steps of 1% is it reduces $5,664 in the profit, right? So every time in the discount that you increase it to 1, not 0.11, it actually decreases 5,000, around $5,000. All right, so that's the discount. I don't know if the discount when I upload it is, yes, it's 1% here, right? It's percentage. I think it was percentage. So please fix your data when you're doing this. But every 1%, it decreases $5,000. That's pretty much what the data says. All right. So now I wanted to see this in a scatter plot. So what I can do is go insert, and we are going to select discount and profit. No, wait, discount. And we're going to insert more charts and the scatter plot here. All right. And here is my scatter plot. So I have, wait, profit. 1 second, my eyes itchy. We have in the bottom is discount and in the Y is profit. All right, we are going to go to the chart design, chart element, and trend line, and we are going to select linear. So you see here now that the line here, can we change, no, the line thickness. Okay, so here is the line, and we can go back to the chart elements, thread line, data labels, data title, and this is going to be profits, discount profits. And in the bottom, we want to put that this is the discount. So chart, this is discount, right? And this is profit. Okay, so yeah, so here is your, there is other, you can Google it, how to make this line a little thicker. There you go. So you see that is a negative. So as the discount is a negative. So as the discount increases, the profits decrease. All right. So that will be your analysis for the regression. So you need to do maybe two, do something else. So we did here that regression. Maybe you can find a correlation between two data sets. I mean, column names, variables between two variables. You can find some correlation. We did regression. We did association, generalization. So you can use these data sets to find some insights into the data. Very good.